Hello there. Welcome to this lecture on ODI Agent. In this lecture, you will understand what is an ODI agent, its role, architecture, and types of ODI agents. ODI agents are basically lightweight Java programs. You cannot schedule scenario and run load plans without these ODI agents. Agents take this scenario from the ODI repository and then it reads source and target details in the scenario. It connects to the source and target and executes the code. It sends back the execution details to ODI repository. ODI has three types of agents: standalone, JEE, and co-located agent. You need not install all three in your ODI implementation. Installing just one of the three would be enough. We will talk in detail about each one of them. For now, just note that JEE and collocated agents are available in enterprise installation only. Good news is that you will learn enterprise installation in this course. Let's go through overall ODI architecture and understand where does ODI agent reside. Let's talk about standalone agent first. Standalone agent is a Java program which can be installed on any server. It does not need application server. It can be installed even in source or target database server. Let's talk about JEE agent. JEE agent is installed on application server. It is installed as part of WebLogic server. In a typical ODI implementation, you might have more than one application server. As JEE agent resides in application server, you can have more than one JEE agent. The scenario and load plan scheduling can be distributed among these JEE agents. We talked about standalone agent and JEE agent. It's time now to talk about co-located agent. As name suggests, it is similar to standalone agent, but what is the meaning of co-located? That's what makes it different from standalone agent. Unlike standalone agent, the collocated agent need WebLogic server. However, it need not be installed on application server like JEE agent. Collocated agent is basically a standalone agent which can be controlled through application server on Fusion middleware. Collocated agent can be installed on any host. However, a WebLogic server along with Node Manager must be installed on the same host. Using Node Manager, the collocated agent can be started on the host and it can be controlled through the central application server on Fusion middleware. Let's compare and contrast all three agents on different parameters. Both standalone and collocated agents are lightweight Java programs. Only difference is that standalone does not need WebLogic server and collocated agent need WebLogic server. Standalone as well as collocated agent can run on Oracle Exadata. As of version 12c, JEE agent cannot run on Oracle Exadata. JEE server is installed as part of WebLogic server domain in managed server. As standalone does not need WebLogic and collocated has its own WebLogic server, they do not need centralized Fusion middleware admin server and managed server architecture. Node Manager is required for JEE agent. Node Manager should be installed on the host where standalone and collocated agent are installed. All three agents are Java programs. All three agents can be used to schedule scenarios and load plans. Features like workflow management, web service, connections management, external security like LDAP are available in all three agents. Although these standalone and collocated agents are not installed in Fusion middleware, they can still be controlled through Fusion middleware as long as they have Node Manager installed. Only Collocated and JEE Agent can be managed through Oracle Enterprise Manager. Alerting mechanism is also available only on Collocated and JEE Agent. As JEE Agent is the only one which resides in WebLogic server in Fusion middleware, the connection pooling and high availability and horizontal scalability features are available only to these agents. During the course, you are going to install JEE Agent and Collocated Agent. This is how the overall ODI architecture looks like, and this is what we are going to implement during this course. This is the end of the lecture. You should be aware of ODI agents and architecture now.